I called Guardian Roofing. I'm a new homeowner into this area and noticed there was a lot of moss on my roof and needed to get it cleaned off, and was investigating places, and Guardian Roofing came highly recommended by my friends in the area. As you all know, Seattle's wet and mossy, so I needed someone to come in and do a good job. I love the fact that they sent me a picture of the person who was coming. I met Evan. He was polite, he was on time. He did an evaluation of my roof, and then inside the attic space of my roof, even letting me know what the temperature was inside, which is pretty interesting. And he was able to show me all the pictures of not only the moss, but the problems that my roof was having. Came up with a solution. Pricing was very fair, came in, and they went and did the job. It was great because I actually am a homeowner with 2 dogs, and so they didn't disturb the dogs, they didn't disturb me. Great professional job. Anybody asked me to highly recommend. In fact, I even asked them to leave brochures off at my neighbor's house because I can see the moss on their roof and I can see their loose shingles, so I would highly recommend Guardian.